Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. Let's look at question number 25. A screw gauge with a pitch of 0.5 millimeters and a circular scale with 50 divisions. So the least count will be 0.5 divided by 50, which is 0.01 millimeters. And when we measure the sheet, it has a male scale reading of 0.5 and 25th division. So if there was no zero error, the answer would be 0.5 plus 25 times 0.01, which would be, this is 0.25, so 0.75. But this is not the answer because there is a zero error. When you don't have anything, we should be seeing the zero, but we actually see the 45th division with the zero line barely visible, which means we actually see the minus 5th division. So when there is nothing in between, it does not give us 0 millimeters, it gives us minus 5 least counts. So for every other value, we have to subtract 5. So this minus 5 into 0.01, which is the zero error, which gives me the answer as 0.7 millimeters, 70 millimeters, which means the answer is option 3, not option 1. This completes the solutions. Thank you.